Hello everyone out there. I believe you're all doing fine by the grace of God. Today we're going to make black cherries pie. So I have my black cherries here. I have sugar. I have my flour. I have butter, milk, eggs, cream. I have this whipping cream, but it has to be very thick, a little bit light. And this a little bit salt. And I have 1 spoon of sugar. So we are going to put the black cherries here and mix it with 1 spoon of sugar first of all to leave it for 30 minutes. So I'll put the flour in the bowl, 150 grams of flour, 150 grams of sugar. So I'll mix together. I'll add my eggs, my 3 eggs. You need to mix. I rub the butter, I melt the butter a bit, I'll add it together, and I'll add a little bit of salt. Mix all together. Mix it well to well mix, and now I'm going to add my cream, this whipping cream. I'll put all the measurement under so that you can see the measurement. So as I've mixed the whipping cream, as I said, 2 tablespoons of whipping cream. Now I'm going to add my milk. I'll add it small. Black cherries pie in French it calls clafoutis. And when the season of the black cherries, whenever there's black cherries, I like it. I like the black cherries pie. So whenever it started to come, I always like to prepare this pie, and my family like it too. So I'm going to add a little bit more milk again. It have to be a little bit light, not too thick. You don't have to make it too thick. So now I'm adding my vanilla. .5 grams of vanilla. Continue to mix it. You see how creamy it is. And it's well mixed. Before you prepare the cream, the bowl that you are going to use, try to put the butter, rub it very well so that it won't stick inside. So after this, I will pour the cream that I've mixed together. I'll pour it in the bowl. So now after you have finished, it has mixed very well. Remember, at the beginning, we have to put 2 tablespoons of sugar together with the black cherries to leave it for 30 minutes. So now, first of all, I'm going to put the cherries in the bowl. 800 grams of black cherries. In French, we call it cerise. Cerise in French. So you have to put it well. And after now, I'm going to add my oven. I'll put it 180. So now I'm going to put my cream. and I will leave it to cook for 30 minutes.